How to turn on recommend my life to friends on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on recommend my life to friends on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Now just click these three lines and then click settings, and here you will find privacy. Click on it, and now just scroll down until you find don't recommend my life to friends, and you you will find it like that. All you need to do is just click on it, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.